Welcome to our channel. If you run an automotive glass or window tinting business, you know that precision isn't just for your installations, it's essential for your accounting too. Managing your finances effectively is the backbone of your success. Automotive glass and window tinting services focus on tasks like installing, fixing, and replacing vehicle windows. They also specialize in applying tint films which enhance privacy, minimize glare, and shield passengers from harmful UV rays. Now let's talk about why precise bookkeeping is vital for these businesses. It helps them effectively manage budgets, adhere to tax obligations, and evaluate their overall financial health. When companies in this field keep their financial records well organized, they can make smarter business choices and secure consistent profitability. A structured approach to accounting ensures they stay on top of their operations and plan for future growth effectively. Here are some important points to focus on for efficient bookkeeping and financial management tailored to your business. First one is managing the inventory of glass and tinting materials. Keep a clear record of materials like glass pens and tint films to avoid shortage or overstock. Second point is expense monitoring for labor and supplies. Track staff wages and material costs to control expenses and optimize profit margins. Third point is tracking cost of specialized tools and equipments. Log purchases and maintenance of tools like cutters, heat guns to manage costs effectively. Fourth point is managing warranty and service guarantee. Maintain detailed records of warranty claims and ensure costs are properly allocated. Fifth point is recording and allocating advertising and marketing expenses. Monitor spending on ads and promotions to assess their return on investments. Sixth point is handling fleet maintenance and fuel expenses. Track repairs, services, and fuel costs for service vehicles to manage fleet expenses. Seventh point is monitoring technician training and certification costs. Record expenses for training programs to ensure technicians stay skilled and certified. Managing cost for mobile service units. Account for operational costs like setup, travel, and maintenance of mobile units. Next point is tracking sales promotions and discounts. Monitor the impact of special offers on revenue and profitability. 10th point is costs of complying with safety standards. Allocate costs for compliance with industry safety and environmental regulations. And the last point is processing payments for subcontracted installation services. Ensure accurate payments to subcontractors and keep records for tax purposes. Now we will discuss about the key performance indicators or KPIs, especially in the context of glass and window tinting service shops. Let's dive into some key metrics you should focus on. So the first point is job completion rate. This KPI shows how efficient we are by measuring the percentage of jobs finished on time and within the budget, reflecting both productivity and customer satisfaction. Second point is average revenue per job. Tracks the income earned from each repair or tinting job, helping us access pricing strategies and identify opportunities for upselling additional services. Third point is customer acquisition cost. Helps evaluate how much we spend on marketing to gain each new customer, providing insight into the effectiveness of our advertising campaigns. Fourth point is customer retention rate. Measures how many customers return for future services, which tells us how well we are maintaining loyalty and satisfaction over time. Fifth point is number of repeat customers. This KPI highlights the total number of customers coming back, indicating brand loyalty and offering a chance to cross-sell or upsell services. Sixth point is appointment booking conversion rate. tracks how many inquiries, whether through calls or online, turns into confirmed appointments, reflecting the effectiveness of our booking process and customer interactions. Seventh point is first call resolution rate, measures the percentage of customer issues or questions resolved in the first call, showcasing our efficiency in providing quick and effective solutions. Eighth point is inventory turnover rate, indicates how quickly we are using materials like windshield glass and tint films, helping the optimize inventory levels and reduce waste. Ninth point is customer satisfaction score, gathers customer feedback to evaluate their overall experience with our services, ensuring we maintain high quality standards. And the last point is warranty claim rate, monitors the percentage of job requiring warranty work, helping us identify and address quality issues in our installation or repair process. Now let's talk about how we handle bookkeeping that can help streamline operations and boost profitability for glass and window tinting services. So the very first point is compliance with AGR standards. Always ensure windshield replacements meet AGR safety regulations to protect customers and avoid any legal issues. Second point is window tinting film laws and requirements. Stay updated on local laws for window tint darkness and exemptions to ensure your services comply with legal standards. Third point is customer relation management system implementation. Use a CRM system to track customer preferences, service history, and send reminders, which helps build loyalty and opens upselling opportunities. Fourth point is tailored promotions and upselling strategies. Design custom promotions and upselling strategies based on customer needs and vehicle types to increase revenue per service. And fifth point is negotiate competitive rates with suppliers. Work with glass and tint film vendors to secure best pricing and reducing overall cost and improving margins. Sixth point is just-in-time inventory management for specialty glass. Use just-in-time inventory strategies for specialty windshield glass, ensuring you minimize storage costs while always having the right materials available for customers' needs. Seventh point is appointment scheduling and online booking integration. Integrate online appointment system with accounting software to simplify booking, improve scheduling efficiency, and streamline overall operations. Eighth point is mobile payment processing for easy customer transactions. Offer mobile payment options to give customers a seamless and convenient way to pay, enhancing their overall experience. Ninth point is fleet service contract and pricing analyze. Analyze fleet service contracts and pricing to ensure competitive rates and establish strong ongoing business relationship with future repairs and tinting services. And the last point is financial planning and budgeting for shop expansion. Assist with budgeting and financial planning for expansion, including new equipments and higher cost, to ensure the shop grows successfully and sustainably. Now I'm going to share some inspiring case studies that highlights how strategic solutions can transform a disorganized situation into a profitable one. Let's dive into our first case study, windshield woes to profitable replacement. So a glass tinting company was facing difficulties with accurately costing projects, leading to underpricing their services and shrinking profits. What solution we provided? So Mero Accounting stepped into implementation job cost monitoring for glass supplies, labors and overhead, allowing for accurate pricing and cost tracking, and as a result the business became financially stable, offering competitive pricing based on actual cost. This shift led to increased profitability and sustainable growth for the company. Here we have our second case study, the missing margins. a glass tinting company struggled to understand the costs of different window tint film options, which made it difficult to implement effective pricing strategies. Mero Accounting implemented a system for inventory management and cost analysis for each type of tint film, allowing the company to price services based on material cost. And as a result, with a clear understanding of tint film cost, the business was able to set competitive price while maintaining healthy profit margins, ultimately maximizing revenue. Our last case study is about how Mero Accounting helped to turn a missed appointment to mobile booking. An automotive glass tinting company faced a high number of missed appointments, leading to lost revenue and operational inefficiency. Mero Accounting integrated online appointment scheduling and mobile payment processing, making the booking process easier and more convenient for clients. The firm show improved customer satisfaction as online booking reduced missed appointments and mobile payments offered a smoother transaction process, leading to repeat business and increase revenue. These case studies highlights how Mero Accounting helps automotive glass and window tinting firms boost profitability and efficiency. By analyzing film costs and creating informed pricing strategies, Mero enabled firms to increase their income. Additionally, Mero improved customer satisfaction by integrating online booking and mobile payment systems, streamlining the client experience. These examples show that Mero goes beyond simple bookkeeping, helping businesses optimize pricing, manage inventory effectively, and use technology to enhance customer service and overall operations. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate your interest in learning how Mero Accounting can transform your business operations. Together, let's achieve greater efficiency and success. Have a good day.